By typing just 2 words, ChatGPT work gives me 3 outputs right away. A clean-up, consolidated Excel file, a branded HTML dashboard, and a PowerPoint presentation. By the end of this video, you will find out what words I typed in and how to turn ChatGPT skills and ChatGPT work into a real tool for saving you and your finance team dozens of hours of work. Let's imagine we have a huge Excel file with corporate card statements in front of us. Right now, this Excel file requires a lot of cleaning. First, you have these rows that are useless. You have these columns here that you don't need for your analysis, and then on top you need to consolidate all of the tabs. Using a file like this for analysis right away is impossible. Instead of manually cleaning this Excel file every week and bringing all of the data into a consolidated file, you can actually create a skill in ChatGPT that will launch automatically when needed. We'll combine all of these tabs into one, we'll remove all the unnecessary information and keep only the required fields. At the same time, the skill will preserve important context. But before creating such a skill, let's first clearly define the task. I open ChatGPT, create a new chat, upload our file into it, and then I will write the following prompt. So I explain that I want to consolidate all of the tabs into one tab. I want to keep only the date, the description, and the amount, and the chargebacks. We are in finance, we cannot let AI make mistakes. So I'm also adding something extra in the prompt. I'm asking AI to audit the work done and to add an audit tab, which shows me that the consolidated data is the same than every single data. It's really important to preserve the source of where each transaction came from, so which company it relates to and which employee the card belongs to. As you can see, ChatGPT is working on it, and in just a few minutes, ChatGPT cleaned the tables, removed the unnecessary data, combined all the tabs into one file, and added the missing information, which is the company name and the cardholder. And also, as you can see in the file, I have my audit tab where I can verify that the consolidated information is the same than every single tab. So nothing is missing. ChatGPT did the work exactly like I needed. Now that we are happy with the result, let's turn this into a skill. So in the same chat, we will write the following. Create a skill from this workflow. I explain that each time that I will upload this type of file, that it needs to do the data cleaning. And of course, I re-explain again what I did before to make sure it will not forget any of the information. And then I ask to name this skill data cleaning. And now the created skill can be saved. All available skills can be found if you click plugins and then skills. This skill will automatically activate every time we ask ChatGPT to clean a corporate card statement. But even after cleaning it, a file like this is a bit of a nightmare to analyze. So the next step is to turn the file into a neat, clean dashboard that will be much more convenient to work with. Before creating it, I will prepare in advance one more skill. This skill will automatically style all visuals that are coming from AI in the color of my company and with the font of my company. This is what I call the branding skill. We will open a new chat and create a new skill. So I explain that I am a CFO and I want to create a branding skill for all of my future materials and my dashboards and my presentations. And then I explain when to trigger it. So I will upload either a PowerPoint presentation which has your branding guideline, or if you are lucky, maybe your marketing already created a branding guideline kit that you can upload inside ChatGPT. And if you have nothing, maybe just give some screenshots with your colors, your font, and then give also some rules. So you see what I'm giving to ChatGPT, I'm giving the context, so who I am, and also what I want. Then I explain in details the visuals that I want, and also how the dashboard needs to look like. And the best is that this skill will help us both for the dashboard that we are about to create right now, and also in the future for any dashboard and presentations I want to make with ChatGPT. And now, for the most interesting part, let's create the dashboard. Its job is not just to visualize information nicely, but also to help you quickly see the key things, like how much money was spent, where the bulk of the expense fall, and so on and so on. So we go back to ChatGPT, upload our file into it, and type in the following. So I'm asking to create a self-contained dynamic HTML dashboard from the Excel file. And I'm asking to perform the financial analysis, to identify any outliers, to add KPIs, charts, and also a drill down. And then I'm saying what type of information I want to have. Then we hit send. And notice that I didn't write anything about branding. But as you can see now, ChatGPT is going to figure out on its own what color fonts and KPI cards to apply based on the previously created branding skill. And just like that, in a couple of minutes, we get this amazing dashboard with all the necessary KPIs at the top. We also see the daily spend trend, the list of top spend categories, and even the top spenders. Really, like, look at this dashboard, how much easier it is to understand the data. It's much better than a pivot table. It's much easier also to use this in a presentation. It's also much better to give that to the employees, the managers. They will see the information much faster and will understand it more easily. If we are happy with everything, and we are, in one prompt, we can turn this into a skill. Like this, ChatGPT Work will always know what level and what type of dashboard we need to do. So in the same chat, we write, create a reusable skill from this final dashboard, and we are going to call this Car Statement Dashboard Builder. Then we just hit send, and while we wait, a quick note. This is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to AI for finance use cases. And so to learn more, you can join my free masterclass. You will learn a lot. I host it every Tuesday. The link to join is in the description, and I count on you to come. That's it. The skill is created and we can reuse it next time. But what if we just need to create a small presentation or a report? And you remember, we already have a branding guidelines for visuals. So let's see whether ChatGPT will use it if we want to create a PowerPoint presentation. So instead of taking hours to create this PowerPoint presentation the traditional way, meaning you copy data from your Excel file and you paste it in PowerPoint, you can actually ask ChatGPT to do this. So I explained that I am the CFO and I need to create a presentation to present this cardholder spend and also the outliers. And you can see that ChatGPT pulls up the right corporate style on its own and is now formatting all of the slides in accordance with the previously defined visual rules. So the presentation is finished. Imagine how much time you will have needed to do that manually. Like, this is crazy. And on top, it has our corporate branding guidelines. So it's something I can reuse straight away, and it's much more clear than if I did it myself. But generating the PowerPoint presentation isn't the most interesting thing here, especially since my channel already has separate videos where I show processes like this in detail. The key point is something else. All the skills we have just created, they can be linked together and turned into one super skill, the one I talked about at the very beginning of this video. That way, we get several tasks into one process in which the results from the first task will automatically be used to carry out the next one. You can see that I explained to ChatGPT all of the workflows and I tell it which skills to use and in which order. And very important, I ask it clearly for the output. So the Excel file, the branded HTML dashboard, and the branded PowerPoint. And this skill, we are going to call it Card Cycle. And let's try it, shall we? In a new chat, just upload your raw files and type these two words, Card Cycle. And now you can see that ChatGPT is working on it. It's doing all of the work that we ask, like all of the stages. And boom, we see that ChatGPT went through all the stages, delivered all 3 files, and applied our branding to the dashboard and the presentation. To me personally, this is incredible that with just 2 words, I can finish a full workflow that before would have taken several people and a whole week of work. If you found this video helpful, hit those like and subscribe buttons, and remember, robots are coming, so stay human.